how to buy 100 million token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 10 hours ago and increased by 700% in the last 24 hours. This token trending #1 in the BNB Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, you can click here to copy the token address, open your BitGet wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. And now as you can see, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called 100 million. Now click on it. Click on swap, switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. And after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy 100 million token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.